Hello, my dear friends. A very good evening to all of you. Firstly, I would like to thank my sir for giving me a golden chance to speak my introduction. So far as my introduction is concerned, I am Samir Ansari from Siwan district of Bihar. My qualification is class 9th and my favorite color is white. My favorite bike is Splendor Plus. My hobbies are playing cricket, playing kabaddi, any other games. I want to be a doctor. I am going to speak about education. And we know very well that education is most important for human beings because we are living things, but animals also living things. We take breath, eat food, we go one place to another place, and these all conditions are animal. Animals also take breath, eat food, and go one place to another place. But animal don't take education, and we take education. If we don't take education, then we are animal, because animal don't take education, so they do work in not step, but we take education, so we do work in step. If you have any work, that work is related with education, and you have not education, then you can't do your work. Let's go 50 or 20 years back. That time education was very low. Some people was educated, but 80% people was uneducated. Suppose that people go to block for any work, and the officer of block says that fill up this paper. Then that people will educated, he will understand, but that people will not educated, he will not understand. And you are not educated person and you go anywhere, then you feel not more respect. But if you educated person and you go and you will go anywhere, then you feel more respect. If we want to make digital country of India, all person like boy, children, girls, man, woman, all person be educated, because the future of our country is education. If we take education, then we will do anything for our country. I think we don't eat, but we must take education. That's all.
Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Firstly, I would like to thank my sir for giving me a golden chance to speak my introduction. So far as my intro is concerned, my name is Gufran Ahmad. I live at Ramsapur. I am 16 years old. My father name is MD Abdul Hussain. He is a worker. My mother's name is Jebun Nisa. She is a housewife. I am a student of 9th class. My hobbies are playing cricket, playing football, playing chess. And my favorite team is KKR. My favorite movie is Pushpa. And I want to be an educated person. So far as my topic is concerned, mobile is an electronic device. The inventor of mobile is Martin Cooper. That's why we say that the father of mobile is Martin Cooper. The invention of mobile was 3 April 1923. You know very well that mobile has a map. When there was not invented the mobile and we went to anywhere and we didn't know our way, then we forgot our way, then we had to ask our way to any person a lots of time, and we had to wander here and there. Now we go to anywhere and we don't know our way, then we forget our way, then we watch our way in our mobile, and now we have not to ask our way to any person, and now we have not to wander here and there. And the second merit of mobile is social media app. You know very well that what is social media app: Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. Mobile has lots of social media app, and WhatsApp makes communication easy with family and any person. And when there was not invented the mobile, and if you wanted to talk any person, then we had to write a letter for sending our message, and we had to go to a post office to deposit our letter, and it took 1 month for sending our message. But now mobile is present all over in the world, and now if we want to talk any person, then we can talk in few seconds.
A very good evening to all of you. Firstly, I would like to thank my sir for giving me a golden chance to speak my introduction. So far as my intro is concerned, my name is Zahir Ansari. I live at Ramsapur. I am 14 years old. I am a student of class 9th. My hobbies are playing kabaddi, playing football, playing chess, any other games. My favorite food is biryani. My favorite car is Lamborghini. My favorite bike is ZX-10R. So far as my topic is concerned, my topic is water. Water is very important in our life. Water is essential for us. If water has not available on the earth, then any living thing cannot survive on the earth. So water is very important in our life. There are 75% water on the earth, and 0.5% is drinkable water. So we should not waste of water. There is a lot of using water, as we use water to cook food, we use water to wash cloth, we use water to clean anything, etc.